Selamat malam.
Walang anuman.
Selamat malam.
Selamat malam?
Ya, good evening.
Oh.
Ini ada Doris, spa staff dari Filipina. Ini lagi bikin kita punya nails ya. Dia cut saya sore hari ini. Saya pergi spa, pergi massage. Dia panggil saya untuk bikin nails juga and toenails. Oke, ini namanya Doris. Dia kerjain kita punya nails and toenails dari Filipina ya. Dia kerja di Princess Cruise guys. Oke. Ketemu sama Doris. Kalau naik di Diamond Princess, cari Doris. Oke, nice to see you Doris ya. This is Doris.
Ayo
See you around. Yeah, okay. There you go. Speak Philippine a little bit.
Magandang gabi.
What does that mean?
Good evening.
Good evening.
Malay, you said salam malam.
Selamat malam.
Salam, yeah. So magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi.
Philippines.
Oke guys, ini malam kedua dari terakhir, jadi kita kumpul-kumpul video di sini untuk cari-cari teman-teman dari Diamond Princess. Oke, see ya. Sekarang kita lagi bikin kaki guys.
Oke, dan selamat malam.
Selamat malam. Ini mukanya dikasih begini. Katanya biar itu pelapi mata keluar. Ini di kakinya di paru, pakai paru guys. It look like grater in the kitchen.
This is grater for the feet, okay, not for the kitchen. Remove your cheese in your feet. Too much cheese.
No.
Hard cheese.
So thick. Scrubbing. Garagaji lagi pakai paru. Wish.
You're gonna have brand new feet.
Brand new feet.
New feet.
Brand new feet.
Made by Doris.
Ini di spa di Princess guys. Princess Cruise. Hari ini dapat spesial $99 kaki dengan tangan. Okay, there you go.
Okay, you have to do scrub or exfoliation at least 2 times a week. Start to your neck down to your feet. Okay, after you scrub, you're gonna take it off, and then you can apply that nourishing moisturizer to smooth. After nourishing smooth, at night bedtime, you're going to put this camellia oil, especially to your nails. Every day, anytime.
Itu
If you want
pelajaran
to have
dari
a
Doris.
baby
Feet.
come and see me.
Come see Doris guys.
Yes.
Di Diamond Princess. Diamond Princess.
So I'll
Princess
just
Cruise.
Frangipani Mono and sea salt scrub.
Itu
Scrub 2 times a week.
2 times a week. Mantap ini.
And then cheese grater. Remove your cheese grater.
Oke. Itu dari Doris guys. Dari kalau kalian naik di Princess Cruise, di Diamond Cruise, cari Doris ya. Baik sekali orangnya. I said look for Doris if you guys go on the Diamond Princess.
Thank you so much. I will wait for you to book
Princess
me.
Cruise, yeah. She's from Philippines. Okay, we're gonna interview a little bit with Doris. Okay, so what are we using in the nails earlier? Because this is pretty nails.
Yes.
What kind of product we using?
So first we use the C&D shellac. That is 14 days last longer and easy to dry. Yes, that is the brand is shellac. C&D shellac.
C&D.
This is what you call the gel polish.
Okay. Okay.
So if you want to have a long, easy to dry polish,
Yeah.
and longer until you go home or until your next vacation, use the shellac C&D.
Okay, shellac C&D. Okay, this is the shellac C&D that she using in my nails, guys. So that
Very
is
fast
the
dry,
product.
right?
Very fast dry. Okay, now we're doing in the feet. But before that, we using some kind of product
Yes, we use
from
the
Alamis.
Frangipani Monoisis scrub.
We're using this,
as
right?
a cream to mold, to soften,
Yeah.
smoothening.
Okay, and then we also use oil.
Japanese Camilla oil for
Japanese
hair,
Camilla
body,
oils.
and nails.
Okay. And then we also do the scrub earlier.
Yes, the scrub.
Let's see the scrub. This is the scrub.
We need to put it back more
Okay.
because I used to her.
Yeah.
This is very
Okay.
good smell.
Okay, guys, that's the product that we're using in Diamond Princess Cruise, guys. Don't forget, if you guys sailing in the Diamond Princess, looking for Doris, yeah. Doris, very nice.
For the nose alone.
From Philippines, guys. Okay, look at this. We put it the color in the nails.
Beautiful
now.
nails color.
Beautiful. Okay, okay. That's a special treatment from Doris,
Yes.
guys. Okay.
For Miss Sarah.
Okay.
The Pamper Sarah.
Thank you so much for doing that special treatment. Really nice of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Say hello to my friend Doris.
Hello.
Okay.
Magandang gabi.
There you go. Ini hasilnya, guys. Hasilnya ini tangan, kaki. Ini hasilnya. Cantik sekali, guys.
You should have video before and after of your
Yeah, I should get the video before my feet.
and after.
Yeah.
Next time do that
we
one.
forgot.
You forgot.
Aduh, we forgot. Oh, man, so cute.